Hey, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Today we're going to review a horse-drawn, or in this case donkey-drawn, toy from about the 1880s. It's going to be made by Welker Crosby, so stay tuned for more. Cheers from Ed. We're going to have our donkey-drawn horse cart from 1880s or so with a hay cart style, and I'm going to show you some details. So what we'll do is we'll zoom in and we'll look at how the casting on this is what I call a really deep relief, very, very deep with this padded saddle. It's a restored toy going to a client, but the chain puts the load on the saddle and then the saddle puts the load on the donkey or the ass. The horse collar or donkey collar, very, very pronounced, and the mane is extremely deep in terms of the relief. The whole work is done by a master craftsman, and I'm going to turn it around so you can see both sides. But they did an amazing job on the tail, amazing job on each strap, each leather piece, each collar, each flowing piece of mane, the ears, even the eyes and the harness. That's an absolute masterpiece. Welker Crosby, 1880s, 1890s. And then in the back cart's kind of interesting because it turns and then is a dump cart. And I tend to call these stake trucks or stake carts because of these pieces going up. They're wood stakes. And it's a very nice fit. It dumps down, and so the stake cart probably held hay, and then the farmer probably flipped it and dumped the hay out, because hay doesn't need a full side. It can be lighter, it can have stakes in it. Welker Crosby Moon. Patent date about November 1885. Looks like November 10th, 85. It's got a second patent on the back that's difficult to read at the top, but that's 83 April. Okay, so bottom line, if you have early cast iron Welker Crosby with this moon symbol, if you have Welker Crosby, I'd absolutely love to buy or trade or find out details of what you have and catalog it, because it's a very old company, very difficult to get. So let me know if you have Welker Crosby. Also, items like this will be on our periodic auctions on Mars Auctions, as well as our gallery, which is AntiqueToys.com. And I hope you enjoyed this preview of a very old toy, and we're talking about a 140-year-old toy. So cheers from Ed. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.